Hello and welcome to OG Pay. Move money like never before. In this brief tutorial, we will show you how to register. Alright, so first you will start by going to the referral link of the person who referred you, which will start with https:// their username and then .myorganogold.com. When you get to that page, you will first select the country and the language that you are using. So in this case, I'm going to choose USA and I'm going to click on English. And once you get to the main website, you will simply click Join Now. Then you will select your country and click OK. Then there are 5 additional steps: product selection, auto ship selection, personal info, payment information, and confirmation. You will go through those. So first of all, you're going to start as an OrganoGold distributor. So you must be a distributor in order to access the card at this time. So we'll click on Distributor Sign Up. Next, you will agree to the terms and conditions. Click the box and click the Agree box. And then it will take you here. Now, if you are on your phone, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to have to scroll to the right because you want to get to membership here, which is $9.95. You're going to click on that and you're going to add that to the order. So you'll notice here it'll say membership, $9.95 at the top. Okay, so you see that there. So now we're going to scroll down, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to auto ship selection. You're going to click on auto ship selection. So let's go ahead and do that. And of course that will take you to the next page. And so we're not purchasing any products here. We are just signing up for the membership. So we're going to skip the auto ship. Now if you choose to purchase products, you're welcome to do so. So we're going to skip auto ship. Alright, that'll take us to the next page. You will see the name of your sponsor and your sponsor's ID, and this is where you will enter your primary information: name, address, social, date of birth, and your mailing address, contact information. Alright, and then you're simply going to choose your username, which is going to go here. Once you enter the username, you're going to verify that it's available, and then you're going to come down and choose your password, which is 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase. It must contain a number and also special character. So you enter that and you will confirm it. You will choose your time zone, whatever that might be. And then also, stop that. Alright, so you choose your password, your time zone. Then you scroll down and you're going to choose a site name, which in many cases will be the same as your username. You'll check the availability. You agree to the terms and conditions once more, and then you will select payment info. Now, because I'm not actually registering, I can't go to the payment info page. But once you get there, of course, you're going to enter your debit card information, debit or credit card information. You're going to confirm your mailing address, and then you're going to submit the payment. At that point, you will have access to your back office. But here's the thing that you need to know, ladies and gentlemen. In order for you to get the card, you will receive an email from OrganoGold indicating your OG Pay login details. It will be an ID number and a password. You need to wait for that. It will not come immediately. It may take a few hours. It may not even arrive until the next day. But once you get that, then you will log into your OGPayWallet.com, and that's where you will continue the process. Alright, so once you receive those details, and this is a separate website, you're going to come over to OGPayWallet.com and you're going to click on Sign In with the details that was provided to you through an email that will not come until several hours after you took care of the first step and you registered through the OrganoGold website. So let's go ahead and see what it's going to look like once you do that. So of course you're going to click on Sign In, then you're going to enter those details that was provided for you, and you're going to click on Sign In. So my account is already set up, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is set up your virtual debit card. So you're going to go up to the top here. You're going to click on the virtual debit card. Now, with your login details, you were given a PIN. You're going to enter the PIN. You're going to authenticate it, and it will take you to the next page.